Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Taxslayer app in your device. Taxslayer app is an app that allows user a friendly app with a free tier for federal filing. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Taxslayer. There you can see Taxslayer. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Taxslayer app and file your taxes with ease. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.